Okay, so good afternoon all. My name is Mariana, and here is my colleague, Cláudia. And today, on behalf of OrganTECH, I'm going to drive you through a 7-minute journey where I'm going to show you how can we revolutionize drug development. And I want to start with a quick question. Did you know that since the moment that we scientists start to work on a treatment for a specific disease, until it reaches the market can pass more than 15 years and cost more than $2 billion to pharma companies? Yes, this is a very long and widely expensive process. And let me go deeper on this. So in this drug development pipeline, we start by identifying the disease that we want to tackle. We enter in a drug discovery phase where disease mechanisms are identified and thousands of compounds are screened to assess its potential to overcome the target pathology. Then, the most promising compounds progress to the preclinical phase where efficacy and safety studies are performed. From those studies, we reach our lead compounds, the ones that have the potential to be applied in humans in the clinical phase. And it is this clinical phase, the most expensive one, representing on average 65% of the total drug development cost. But the problem is that 9 in 10 of the drug candidates that entered the clinical trials fail, making pharma companies lose time and billions of dollars. And behind this failing rate is the low predictive value of preclinical testing, which still relies heavily on animal and too simplistic models, leading to unforeseen safety issues and lack of efficacy in humans. So, therefore, there is a clear need to decrease the failure rate in the clinical trials by anticipating early on in this drug development process the drug candidates that will fail in humans. To attain that, the introduction of models in the preclinical research that better resemble human physiology will be the key. And that's where we came in, OrganTECH. So we developed a new humanized solution that will redefine drug safety and efficacy in the preclinical phase. And specifically, I'm talking about mini human organs developed in the lab. So from a simple blood sample of donors that have the disease that we want to tackle, we can generate a special type of stem cell that have the capacity to generate all the cells of the human body. And it is from those cells that we generate these organ models in the lab, the organoids. These organoids will have the genetic background of the patient and therefore represent their disease features. And although others have already identified the potential of this technology, the challenge has been to come up with a model that fully replicates the structural complexity of the native organs. And we, OrganTECH, we solve this problem. So we have developed a new methodology with already a patent application to develop physiologically relevant organoids for 2 different organs, the heart and the kidney. And it is based on this technology that we developed our product, the heart-kidney organ screen, a preclinical, human, organoid-based drug screening service specifically designed for lead identification and drug safety validation. Regarding our market opportunity, we are talking about an addressable market of in vitro toxicology and efficacy screening of around $2 billion. Our served market represents the adoption of organoid-based technology by pharma companies for drug screening, which has been estimated to be currently around $0.5 billion. But we want to emphasize that this is a fast-growing market with a projected growth of more than 20% over the next 5 years. Regarding our competitors, we stand out since we combine 2 of the most critical and needed organs in preclinical research, the heart and the kidney, Additionally, our both models fully replicates the structural complexity and the different cell types present in the native organs, allowing us to delivering more biologically relevant data. Our business model, our drug screening service, will be sold directly to pharma companies or indirectly through CROs. So these companies will provide us with their hit compounds, and we will help them identifying the ones that are most promising in a human-based context. Our roadmap has been designed to ensure a year dedicated to proof of concept studies to further validate our product, followed by market entry in 2027. After 2 years in the market, we project a business expansion with an investment in bigger facilities and in R&D to further expand our service portfolio. With a service price between 30 to 50,000 euros per screened compound, we project a break-even after 1 year and a total revenue of 25 million euros after 5 years in the market. So summing up, me and Cláudia, with more than 25 years of expertise working with organoid models, backed by the Axel Bio support and empowered by your support, we will turn this vision, our vision, into a reality. So OrganTECH will de-risk clinical trials by anticipating human response in the preclinical phase. We will decrease later-stage failures, helping pharma companies save more than 700 million euros per developed drug. So I hope that I have convinced you that we have in our hands the technology that will redefine the future of drug development. Let's redefine this future together. Thank you.